Welcome, everybody. My name is Tom. Um, I'm looking here and it says Trump cut losses. Is trade deal still possible? So, mm, I'm not sure what all this means. I'm not a financial advisor, you know, but I will say if you have a Robinhood account or any kind of stocks right now and you check, all your hard work from the last few months is probably getting flushed down the tubes today if you held on to your stocks. I see there was a huge sell off. You know, the good old pump and dump. Same thing we learned in the cryptocurrency. First one's in, get all the money, and everybody pumps it up, and then everybody who dumps out first gets all the money as well. So they dumped first. Hopefully things will turn around. I did get some good advice from somebody I know. They said every once in a while the stocks will go on sale. There'll be a huge sale. And I guess today's the sale. So if you have any extra money in your bank account, um, maybe wait until tomorrow. Friday, not everybody caught on to the sell off. So today there might be a little more sell offs. And then Friday, but by Monday it's gonna get back to green. I'm gonna speculate Monday is gonna be green. Friday is more red. So um, I think I'm gonna gamble. Instead of going to the casino, I'll probably put a couple $100 on a penny stock. I was looking at HEB. So I'm thinking a gamble might not be a bad idea right now. And then we could tab over here. We could check out the Bitcoin. Um, I got a lot on LTC and Ethereum. My actual BTC is not that much in percentages compared to the other two, probably 15%. I'm also got a lot of Bitcoin Cash and a lot of where's the XRP. So I got these right here. A little bits of Stellar. I want to get the Binance. I think Binance it's up to 180. Wait, what's the price? $20. Okay. I'm about to say it's $180. No, no, no. Okay. Binance is up to $20. So Binance is a good coin that has actually a function. And then Gas coin. Where's Gas? Yo, Gas. Gas, it pays out dividends of like 2% a year. Or I mean, Neo pays out 2% a year of gas. These are all the coins. But to talk about the crypto right now, the thing about, see, if you notice, everybody's just going up and down, up and down, up and down. But for some reason, Bitcoin is actually breaking away itself. Like, what happened? Look at this. Satoshi's vision break off. Bitcoin is doing its own thing. Even Bitcoin Cash couldn't do it. So is there a person is there an entity? Let's see, $58 for a Bitcoin Cash. Okay, it's not bad, not bad. It's going up. I mean, it's going up. What do I expect this to do? To be honest, I have been watching this for the last couple, months or whatever, and you know, I've been watching it actually for years, a couple years, but paying close attention the last few months, because as it was tanking all last year, we kind of I kind of held off last year of investing into it. I wanted to wait till it kind of dipped down and then start showing some like reputable growth because all last year it would go up a little bit and the next week it would go up for 2 days and then down for like a week, up for 2 days, down for a week, you know. And so this was you got me at first a couple times where I was like, all right, this is it. I think it went up for like 4 days in a row. This is it, and then boom, down for like 2 weeks in a row. So then after that, what I did, I ended up buying mining equipment. Um, I figured I would just invest into the hardware itself because let's say I bought, $2,000 worth of equipment. Um, you could in turn that equipment's gonna stay worth $2,000. And also at that time there was a trade something going on with China where we didn't know if there were gonna be like a trade agreement or something against electronics. So I was speculating the price of electronics to actually go up. So, you know, wanted to lock in my video cards at the low rate. And then also at the same time, it's one of those gradual investments where when you have like a mining rig, you get your residual very very slowly. Well, it's fast compared to what bank accounts can give, but as far as what crypto is doing right now, like if the price of these things were to go back up to where they were, which is like 5-10 times the amount, then yeah, mining would be all the rage again. The price of cards would go up through the roof, and then all of a sudden we're back to profit. But right now, I would say the mining is not profitable right now, especially in California. It's not profitable. It's more like for fun, more like, hey, I got this thing I could turn on that costs a couple cents more than the electricity that it provides. You know, I should turn it off, but it's just fun to have it. Anyways, so yeah, my take on this whole thing is Bitcoin itself is actually poised to Bitcoin itself is poised to mm, hmm, let's talk about something. Anyways, Bitcoin itself is poised to it's I'm seeing what I'm thinking is really happening is people are slowly all the other altcoin investors are slowly starting to say, "Hey, why don't I trade a little bit of this coin for some Bitcoin?" Because I did that last week. You know, I had a lot of Ethereum stacked up. Let me trade a few Ethereum into some Bitcoin. It went up, Ethereum went down, and I traded it back. Had kept the change. Got a few dollars worth of Bitcoin just off of a trade. You know what I'm saying? So now, you know what I mean? I think people are doing that. I think people are actually slowly shifting a little of their percentages, like how you know, into Bitcoin. They might have 85% of altcoins and 15% Bitcoin. Now they're slowly going to go 75-25. And this is having a grander effect on the consolidation of finding refuge inside of a safe home because, you know, everybody's scared right now. That's a problem with the world is everybody's scared. They're letting fear take everything over. Say a lot of people live with no fear. That's what something 50 Cent was saying. He was saying something about how, uh, you know, the person with the least amount of fear controls the situation. You know what I'm saying? Like if everybody's in a room and we're all talking and we're negotiating or whatever, whoever is the least fear is the one that's going to be the most powerful, you know, or the most have the most leverage as far as negotiating and all that. But anyways, good morning and I'm hoping everybody has a great day. Peace.